Purpose of this demonstration about what is going on in Balochistan. They have 40,000 Baloch people. They are abducted in Pakistan intelligence agency. More than 40,000 people they are abducted. Still, if we are talking about the Balochistan situation, there is so much bad situation going on. Lots of Baloch people they are abducted, and also they are. If you're talking about the Balochistan situation, there are kill and dump policies going on, which is very bad situation on their the people of Balochistan. Lots of Baloch people they are abducted, they have full of ability, they have skills, they are political person, they are engineer, doctors, which they are able in their field, and their families they are also very disappointed to their this act which is going on in Balochistan. Lots of people, lots of Baloch people they are disappeared. It's still no any actions going on in Pakistan. If we talk about to Pakistan Islamic Republic country, they have no any Islamic rules. They just want to kill the all Baloch nation. They are massacre, and lots of people still they are disappear. It means that there is no any rule and justice about to Baloch nation. We have no expectation about to Pakistan. We have this expectation to international organization which they could do something for our Baloch nation. What the Baloch nation they want. At the last, I just appealed to the United Nations organization which they are organized for the human rights. So just do something for our Baloch nation, and lots of missing persons they are disappeared. And if you talking about Zakir Majid, he is the senior vice chairman of BSO Azad. He is the political person. They are abducted those which they are very ability. They have full of ability in their field to their nation, which they are big resources in their nation. So do something for Baloch nation.